If your Windows 10 or 11 PC says connected to the internet but you have no internet access, don't waste time typing 5 different terminal commands manually. Here is a one-click batch script that does the whole network reset in 5 seconds. To create it, open Notepad and paste the script code. Click on File tab, then click on Save As and change Save As type to All Files. Name the file networkreset.bat and save it to your desktop. The crucial step, right-click your new .bat file and select Run as administrator. If you run it normally, Windows will block the IP reset commands due to missing privileges. The script automatically flashes your DNS cache, releases and renew local IP address, and does a complete reset on your winsock catalog and TCP IP stack. Now you can try to launch the script. Once it finishes, press any key to close the terminal. Your network stack is now completely reinitialized. A quick system restart is recommended, but in most cases, your internet connection will restore immediately. I have placed the full script code in the pin command below. Copy it and test it. And let me know in the comments if it fixed your connection. Don't forget to subscribe for more one-click IT automation tools. Thank you.